How to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy on how you can fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. Well, if WhatsApp isn't working on your iPhone, you can try restarting your iPhone, updating WhatsApp and your iOS. You also want to check your internet connection. So let's get into the basic troubleshooting. You can go through the basic troubleshooting such as restarting your iPhone, updating your WhatsApp. Ensure you are to the latest version by heading into your app store and looking in for WhatsApp here. Make sure you are updated. You also want to make sure your iPhone's operating system is updated. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection and try closing and replaying the app. If this doesn't help, then you can go through the advanced troubleshooting. That if WhatsApp servers are experiencing issues, you may need to wait for them to be resolved. On iOS, you can effectively clear the cache by offloading the app and reinstalling it. You can also reset your network settings. Check if iCloud Drive is enabled for WhatsApp in your iPhone settings. If none of the above solutions work, you can reach out to WhatsApp support for further assistance. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.